Hey guys! In today's video, I'll show you how you can fix a payroll filing error in Xero, so let's get started. If you've encountered an error while filing payroll in Xero, don't worry, it's a common issue and can be fixed with just a few steps. Here's what you need to do. First, log into your Xero account and go to the payroll section. From your payroll dashboard, click on Pay Runs to view the list of completed and unfiled pay runs. Next, find the payroll period where the error occurred. Once you've located it, click on the pay run to open the details. If you notice an error, you may need to reconcile or adjust the pay run before submitting it again. To do this, click on Options and from the drop-down, select Undo Pay Run. This will allow you to make corrections before refiling. Once you've undone the pay run, check the employee records to ensure all tax codes, pay rates, and deductions are correct. It's also important to verify that all timesheets or leave balances are accurately entered, as errors in these can cause payroll issues. After you've made the necessary adjustments, create a new pay run and confirm all the details. When you're confident that everything looks right, click Submit to the auto or your relevant tax authority, depending on your location. If the error persists, you might need to reach out to Xero support for assistance. They can help you troubleshoot the issue or provide more detailed guidance. And that's it. You've successfully fixed a payroll filing error in Xero. By following these steps, you can ensure your payroll is accurate and compliant with tax requirements. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.